Yo, what is going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to watch World Cup 2026 for free. This uses a free Fox One subscription code for 12 months. So this is going to get you a free subscription to Fox One. And guys, this is going to allow you to watch all 104 of the FIFA World Cup 2026 games. And yeah, today we have Canada and USA playing. So yeah, it's just in time for people in North America to do this, and it's pretty easy. This uses a redeem code or a promo code that you can enter into Fox One, and it's going to give you a 12-month subscription for the not only the FIFA World Cup, but of course anything else that the Fox One subscription brings you. So what you need to do is use your mobile phone internet browser, and then you can go ahead and sign up and get your free 12 months using this code. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So type it like this, cold coupons, and if you type it correctly, it's going to bring you to this website here. Now they have hundreds of pages of codes on here, guys, so what you're going to want to do is just search for the Fox One page, and it should pop up Fox One, and there is only one available coupon here. And if you go ahead and scroll down, it is the Fox One 12-month free subscription. So this is a simple code that you can redeem in the Fox One website, and it is going to credit your account a 12-month subscription. So yeah, super easy. It saves you a bunch of money. I think it's about $20 US a month. So this is like $200 worth. So you do need to unlock your code. Obviously, these are limited codes, and considering what they give you, it basically stops people getting more than one of these codes. So click on Get Full Code, and you're going to be brought to this page here, and it tells you what you need to do. It's pretty easy. You just need to complete 2 of the 3 offers below to unlock your code, and make sure you follow the instructions for each. So as you can see, there is a list of tasks on this page, and all you need to do is select 2 of them and complete the instructions. So these are really easy things like installing and downloading mobile apps, playing mobile games, stuff like that. So this one here says download, install this app and create an account. So you would tap on it where it will bring you to the App Store, and you just grab this app here and create an account. So yeah, just complete 2 of these, and once you do 2 of those, it will send you back to Cold Coupons, and your Fox One 12-month subscription code will be revealed, and then you can claim it in the Fox One website. And that, guys, is how to watch World Cup 2026 for free right now. So yeah, go to Cold Coupons, navigate your way to the Fox One page, and select the 12-month subscription code. Make sure you follow all of the instructions to unlock your code. Let me know if you need any help, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.